Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening DevTools. It's quick. Right-click any page element and pick Inspect, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus I, CMD plus Option plus I on Mac. Once open, click the Console tab so you can type commands, watch errors, and read log output. Make sure Preserve Log is enabled if you want messages across navigations, or toggle Clear on navigation to keep things tidy. This first step gets you directly into the environment where you'll run code and inspect runtime behavior. Now you'll execute and inspect code. Type any JavaScript expression and press Enter to evaluate it. Simple values return immediately. Use console. Log to print variables, console. Table for arrays and objects, and console. Error for visible errors. These help you reason about state. To interact with elements, use $0 to reference the currently selected node or document. Query selector to find elements by selector. Once done, experiment with live editing. Assign values, call functions, and finish by using the console as a debugging companion. Set breakpoints in sources or insert debugger in your code so execution pauses and you can inspect local variables and the call stack. Step over into or out of functions to trace logic slowly. This explains why a bug happens. If you don't see messages, make sure filters or log levels aren't hiding them, and temporarily disable browser extensions that alter pages. If things still fail, reload with a cleared cache and repeat the inspection steps to verify fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.